Welcome back to another tutorial YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to add syntax highlighting to your assembly language code. And for us, we use the Irvine 32-bit library, but it doesn't matter. We just want this to not look as bland. So if we go to another IDE, I'm going to go to Repel as an example. When I was learning Python, I used Repel a lot, and it's just so much better. Because like our print statement is yellow, what we're printing is orange, our variable is white, and it helps to distinguish, and it doesn't get boring just staring at the screen all day when it's just black and white. So we can go back to our Windows Studio. And to change the syntax highlighting, we're going to go to Manage Extensions. We're going to look up ASMDude. It's already popped up because I've looked it up before. I have it installed. I just disabled it. So this is what it looks without it enabled. You're going to install that. And I'm going to enable mine so I can show you what it looks like. So I'm going to just close this back up. And I kept all my projects from all my my programming classes just in case anything happens. So I'm going to open it back up with the ASMDude enabled. So now our data types are like in pink, our variables are white, our registers are like, I think it's like a red, and our like what we're like calling is like in blue. So it helps it look a lot better, but it's still white. And if you program all day, you know you don't want to stare at a white screen. So you could go to I think it's Tools, Options. Right now I'm set at light, but when I was programming assembly, I stared at my screen almost all day. So I like to put it in dark. And this is all I had it set up. And it actually helps you differentiate from everything. And cool. And if you guys enjoy, leave a like and subscribe.